Welcome to Project Vape Light. Today we're taking apart Flava Oxbar G9500. We've brought out the squeezer for this one. Sometimes it's a bit scary to try and squeeze these things, but we have to keep in mind that there isn't much inside these except the battery and the reservoir, which is just foam. The bottom floor plate of this is kind of soft, so I don't know if using a plastic pry tool might have helped it not get marred, but it's out nonetheless. With that floor plate out, all of the guts just comes right out, and there isn't much inside. The battery is taped to the reservoir, and the battery is a 13450 650 milliamp hour battery, so that's not bad. And the charging circuit is covered by a little bit of silicone. Not a lot of silicone on this vape, which is pretty good for the environment. And you can see the pressure sensor there, and beside it, a screw, which makes it very secure and would make this vape very good as a rechargeable vape light or some other tool. Let's try to take it out and see if we're looking at an ASIC or if there's more stuff underneath. And yeah, there's a lot of stuff underneath, so it's not an ASIC. There's lots of components here, and some dried flux that they didn't clean up from the factory in China. But that's not bad. The coil itself has its own PCB, so that might be something for ease of assembly. Nasty foam bits there. And the blasting cap on this is very long. This probably helps with feeding or something. Feeding of the juice. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next one.